All right, guys, I've got something very special for you. We're going to unbox and check out the Wharf 120 watt LED temporary work light. It's 18,000 lumen and it's IP67 dust and waterproof. This is great. It's got a hook on the top, so it's great for like if you're working on a car or working in a shop, or maybe, you know, different scenarios like that, different working settings. This is a nice, durable, waterproof, dustproof, high quality, bright light that's going to work really well. So let's check it out to make sure that's true. So first of all, here's how it's packaged in the box. It's got a very nice look to it. Very simple and easy. It's already pretty much put together, which if you're like me, you like that, because sometimes I'm not that great at putting things together. Now, here's the light itself. It has a nice cage around it to protect the light, so that definitely makes it a lot more durable. Let's get this box out of the way, and then we'll put it together the rest of the way. So you've got your cord here, and I'll show you how it works, and we'll plug it into the wall, and you'll see how great it is. And plug this side. So I think it's super versatile. You could use this in your backyard at night too if you really needed to. I think this could be a good light potentially just to have, honestly. Different for different reasons, different purposes. All right. So that plugs in super easy once you know kind of how it goes there. There we go. All right, that's on there. The other end is going to go into the light. And you can see that this just goes right in here. Make sure I'm putting it on right. Goes down at the bottom, okay. So very simple to use, very easy to get on. Now I'm gonna go ahead and plug this in. I think I got an outlet over here. Boom, boom. Look at that. That is bright. Now you have the power button on top. That is a bright light. Boom, okay? That's going to work in any scenario. Now, the icing on the cake and the reason you're going to have to get it is this. You've got a nice hook, screws in right on top. And now you're able to hang that from the hood of your car, in a workshop, anywhere you need it. Super versatile, super easy to use. Highly recommend.